What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming from a gas-powered car to a Tesla, you're in for a treat. Tesla's innovation and user-centric approach make it a computer on wheels, and we're going to explore all of the essential tips you need to know to make the most of your Tesla ownership. I've compiled 18 essential tips and things to know to help you maximize your experience as a new Tesla owner or soon-to-be Tesla owner. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First on the list, we have the Tesla mobile app. With this nifty app in your pocket, you can unleash a whole suite of incredible features at your fingertips, like remote climate control, vehicle status, and summoning. The app updates you in real time on the charging process, including the charging rate, the amount charged, and the estimated time remaining. It's also very easy to use. The app is user-friendly with a simple interface and easy navigation. Anyone can use it regardless of age or technical expertise. But the real magic happens when you turn your smartphone into your key for your Tesla. Say goodbye to fumbling around for a physical key. Your phone is all you need to unlock, start, and drive this electric beast. Since the phone key communicates to your car using Bluetooth, you can simply walk up to your car and open the door without pulling out your phone out of your pocket. But of course, I recommend having the physical key card in your wallet or your purse as a backup, just in case if your phone runs out of battery. You can also use a Tesla app to unlock and start your Tesla from anywhere in the world. This may be useful in cases where you do not have your key card or key fob, or are experiencing issues with the phone key or are not physically close to the vehicle. For example, you want to unlock your vehicle for a friend or a family member while you're across town. When it comes to entering and exiting your Tesla, the experience is nothing short of convenient. When you go to open your door, you'll notice that there's no traditional handle to grab and pull the door open. Instead, on the Model Y and the Model 3, simply put your thumb on the fat part of the handle and push it. It'll extend out for you to grab the entire handle with your hand. Now to exit the vehicle, you'll find a sleek button perfectly placed within your reach. One press and the door pops open for you to step out effortlessly. Now you might wonder what happens in the rare event of an emergency where your Tesla has lost power and the button does not work. If you ever find yourself in a Tesla and need to exit quickly in an emergency, rest assured there's an emergency latch right here on the door panel. With a swift motion, you can release the latch and exit your vehicle without any hassle. The only thing that happens if you routinely use the emergency latch is that the rubber seal between the window and the car body at the top of the door could wear out, and you might eventually get some water leaking in there. Or worst case scenario, the window might break or have stress fractures. However, if you roll down the window before you get out and use the emergency latch, you can't damage the trim as the window won't rub against anything. Honestly, the emergency latch is not something to worry about, as the chances of you using it are very slim, and it would take a good bit of usage to see any damage. One of the coolest features in driving a Tesla is one-pedal driving thanks to regenerative braking. When you release the accelerator, your Tesla automatically slows down, and you rarely need to use a brake pedal. This feature not only adds convenience, but also harnesses the energy that would be wasted in traditional braking, and puts this energy back into your battery, giving you more range and better efficiency. Now, mastering one-pedal driving might take a little finesse, but I've got some tips that'll certainly help you master it in no time. As you approach a stop, try releasing the accelerator about halfway to nearly all the way. You'll feel the regen action kicking in, gently decelerating your Tesla. Then use the accelerator pedal to fine-tune your stopping point, kind of like modulating the pedal to get the best feel for it. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Now if you want to take your one-pedal driving to the next level, select Hold mode in the settings. Hold maximizes range and reduces brake wear by continuing to provide regen braking at speeds lower than what creep and roll would do. When your Tesla stops, the brakes are automatically applied without you having to put your foot on the brake pedal. Hold mode keeps the brakes applied, provided that your foot remains off the accelerator and the brake pedals. As a new Tesla owner, you'll soon come to find there are a bunch of accessories out there to choose from. When you purchase a Tesla, you'll want to make sure you have the right accessories on hand to make the most of your new vehicle. Adding accessories to your Tesla can be a great way to improve its functionality and convenience. For example, the center console organizer from Spigen can help keep your car's interior clean and clutter-free. Spigen is known for high-quality accessories, especially for Teslas. I really like them because they go a step above the typical accessories you've probably already seen. The fit and finish on all of their accessories is top-notch. For example, if you need a place to put your phone, this phone mount from Spigen can keep your phone secure and keep it in view while at the same time keeping your hands on the wheel. And take a look at their premium carbon fiber mud flaps. There's a clear difference in quality between these and the generic ones you get on Amazon. They're super easy to install and complement the car very nicely. And best of all, they help protect against rock chips and road debris. I'll link these accessories in the description below for you to check out. These are just a few examples of useful accessories, but be careful not to fall in the trap of buying accessories you don't really need. Do some research and make informed decisions on what accessories are worth their investment. To help you navigate the vast world of Tesla accessories, I've created in-depth videos highlighting the must-have accessories for both the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3. I go over the top accessories to have on delivery day, from floor mats to paint protection film to cargo covers and to even some accessories you did not know you needed. These videos are not like the same old ones you've been constantly seeing on YouTube. You can find links to these videos in the description below. And for those seeking hand-picked accessory recommendations, I've curated a list of my favorites which you'll also find in the description. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell for more content like this in the future. After driving all day or all week, you'll need to find a place to charge your Tesla. The biggest convenience of owning a Tesla lies in the ability to charge at home. Sure, Tesla boasts an impressive supercharging network, but nothing beats the sheer ease and comfort of home charging. When you arrive home, simply plug in your Tesla, let it charge overnight, and wake up to a fully juiced up vehicle ready for the next day. It's like saying farewell to those tedious trips to the gas station forever. Before taking delivery of your Tesla, I highly recommend setting up your home charging equipment. While most installations may take only a few hours, finding and scheduling an electrician could take up to 2 weeks. The installation costs may vary depending on your home charging hardware and electrical system, so I suggest contacting multiple licensed electricians for multiple quotes. Now, the first charging option is to use a Tesla mobile connector. It's a simple solution that lets you charge your Tesla using a standard 110-volt outlet. While this option is accessible, be prepared for a slow charging rate, granting you approximately 3 miles of range per hour charged. Next up, we have the Tesla wall connector, a more permanent charging solution. This is hardwired to your electrical panel, and it provides significantly faster charging speeds, delivering up to 44 miles of range per hour. This option comes with Wi-Fi connectivity for over-the-air updates and remote diagnostics, and you can also adjust the amperage in the settings, and also has a weatherproof construction. If hardwiring is not your preference, don't worry. The third option involves installing a NEMA 1450 outlet in your home and purchasing an adapter for your Tesla mobile connector. With this setup, you can enjoy a charging rate of approximately 30 miles of range per hour, striking a balance between speed and flexibility. Now, when it comes to charging, one of the most common questions I receive from new Tesla owners is what percent should I charge my Tesla to? The key to maintaining a healthy battery lies in understanding your Tesla's charging needs and adopting some smart charging practices. For nearly all Tesla models, it's recommended to charge to around 80% on a daily basis. This ensures you have ample range for your regular commute while avoiding the extreme ends of the battery capacity. Keeping the charge level to around this percent can help prolong your battery's life, as repeated charging to around 100% or letting it drop too low can strain its health over time. Now, if you happen to own a base Model 3, they are equipped with the LFP batteries and the rules are a bit different. For these specific models, it's actually best to charge to 100% daily. The LFP battery chemistry benefits from a full charge, and keeping it at the top end of the capacitor range won't negatively impact this longevity. In addition to managing your daily charge limits, understanding Tesla's battery management system is crucial. Tesla's advanced battery technology actively monitors and regulates the battery's temperature and charging rate, ensuring optimal performance and safety. As a new Tesla owner, you want to be aware of winter driving. It's essential to understand how it affects your vehicle and how to make the most of your driving experience. In colder climates, the chill can have an impact on your Tesla's range and battery efficiency. Don't worry though, it's entirely normal. Cold temperatures can lead to reduced battery performance, affecting your car's overall range. But there is a way to combat this to maximize efficiency and save quite a bit of battery. The solution is preconditioning. Preconditioning is exactly what it sounds like. Before you get in your car while your EV is still plugged into its power source, alter the temperature of the interior so it's pleasantly warm. This isn't just for your own enjoyment, it also optimizes your range. As a new Tesla owner, you'll come to find that you get a unique referral link, and this is for the Tesla referral program. Currently, if someone places an order for a Model Y or a Model 3 with your referral link, they will get $500 off along with 3 months of full self-driving. And if they buy a Model S or a Model X through your referral link, they'll get $1,000 off along with 3 months of full self-driving. In return, you'll receive referral credits that can be redeemed for various Tesla merch and accessories. If you currently do not have a Tesla and are currently in the market for one, be sure to take advantage of these referral benefits to save up to $1,000 off your purchase. You can use my referral link in the description below to place an order. It's a win-win situation because not only will you enjoy the perks of a Tesla referral program, but you'll also be supporting this channel. Now, this next one is something that I absolutely love about my Model Y, and it's Sentry Mode. Sentry Mode is a feature that allows you to monitor suspicious activities around your Tesla when it's parked. When enabled, your vehicle's cameras remain powered on and ready to record suspicious activity around your vehicle. Think of Sentry Mode as an intelligent vehicle security system that alerts you when it detects possible threats nearby. I recommend understanding how Sentry Mode works to monitor your car's surroundings and to help protect it from potential threats when parked. And the best part about Sentry Mode is that it can all be recorded on a USB drive. All new Teslas come with a USB drive to record Sentry Mode and dashcam events. I recommend ensuring that your USB drive is properly formatted and ready to go. You want to navigate to Safety and click on Format USB Drive to automatically format the USB drive as exFAT. It wipes a USB drive and creates a dedicated folder called TeslaCam. The USB drive is now ready to record and save video footage. Now I've got a little tip for you that many Tesla owners overlook when it comes to Sentry Mode. Considering Sentry Mode's constant recording and rewriting, you'll want to invest in a high quality SSD that can keep up with the action. Check out the links in the description below to explore some of my favorite SSD recommendations. These offer lightning fast read and write rates and boast high endurance ratings. It's perfect for handling frequent backups and continuous data recording. Autopilot is the next thing you'll soon realize as a new Tesla owner. All Teslas come standard with Autopilot. Autopilot's advanced safety and convenience features are designed to assist you with the most burdensome parts of driving. It introduces new features and improves existing functionality to make your Tesla safer and more capable over time. It enables your car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically within its lane. Keep in mind that current Autopilot features require active driver supervision and do not make the vehicle fully autonomous yet. You can opt to purchase Full Self-Driving, FSD, and it takes things to the next level. FSD is designed to conduct short and long distance trips by itself. For me, I chose not to purchase FSD as it didn't make much financial sense to me at the time, and I actually enjoy driving the vehicle. Also, Autopilot is more than enough for my needs. As these self-driving capabilities are introduced, your car will continuously be updated through over-the-air software updates. And speaking of software updates, Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that bring new features and improvements. When you own a Tesla, you'll soon realize you get software updates to your car. Tesla began and perfected the over-the-air update system, where instead of releasing a new and redesigned/updated car with each model year, updates bring enhanced capabilities right to your fingertips. Whether it's improvements to Autopilot, enhancements to the battery management system, or other exciting software upgrades, your Tesla stays up to date without the need for a new purchase. Now, when you're driving a bunch while you're out and about, you want to charge up quickly, and that's where the Tesla supercharging network comes in clutch. One of the standout advantages of a Tesla is a supercharging network. With over 45,000 superchargers strategically located worldwide, you can enjoy quick and convenient charging wherever your adventures take you. The Tesla Supercharger network is a game changer for electric vehicle owners. It alleviates range anxiety by providing high-powered charging stations that allow you to replenish your battery quickly. But here's a pro tip. While supercharging is lightning fast and incredibly reliable, it's not the most cost-efficient way to charge your Tesla. Sure, it is certainly cheaper than filling up for gas, but for your daily charging needs, the real MVP is your good old home charging setup. It's economical and gives you that satisfying feeling of waking up to a fully charged Tesla every morning. Now, don't get me wrong, supercharging is perfect for those long road trips and those moments when you need a quick top-up. The infotainment system is a control center for every Tesla. Forget knobs and switches, this is the gateway to controlling almost every aspect of your Tesla. From climate control settings to media controls to navigation and vehicle data, it's all here integrated into a seamless user interface. And believe me, the first time you lay your eyes on it, you won't be able to resist exploring every nook and cranny of this digital wonderland. But that's just the beginning. Tesla's infotainment system is more than just a dashboard replacement. It's a playground of entertainment. When you're parked, you can engage in a bit of fun with the built-in video games. Whether you're racing across virtual tracks or smashing bricks, you'll be thoroughly entertained. And as a new owner, you want to go through the infotainment system to ensure you're accustomed to all of the settings and various preferences that will make your driving experience better. From various drive modes to steering wheel modes and to even autopilot settings, it's all here. One of the coolest features of a Tesla is driver profiles. Creating your unique driver profile is a breeze. Simply set your ideal seat position, adjust the steering wheel to your liking, and fine-tune the side mirrors. All of it gets saved into your personalized driver profile. And here's the best part. It's not just limited to one Tesla. Your driver profile syncs across all supported vehicles under your Tesla account, ensuring your preferences are always there. But it doesn't just stop there. Your driver profile goes beyond just the seat and mirror adjustments. It captures your temperature preferences, your recent and favorite navigation, and your media settings, just to name a few. Essentially, everything that enhances your driving comfort and convenience. It's the ultimate touch of personalization. Whenever you make a change to your seat position, steering wheel tilt, or mirror angles, your touchscreen prompts you to save these adjustments to your driver profile. It ensures that every little tweak you make is preserved, ready to be recalled at your command. Finally, as a new Tesla owner, you'll come to realize the beauty of maintenance, or lack thereof. Owning a Tesla means you'll not only save money on gas, but you'll also see significantly lower maintenance costs. As electric vehicles, Teslas have long been associated with low running costs. And let's be real, not having to pay for fuel is already a huge plus. But to top it off, not having to deal with oil changes, fuel filters, spark plug replacements, or emissions checks makes the ownership journey even better. I recently made a 20,000 mile review on my long-range Model Y where I broke down the exact maintenance expenses. The amount I spent over 20,000 miles is shocking. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below for you to check out. I hope you found these 18 tips helpful in your Tesla journey. If you want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts on Teslas and electric vehicles in the comment section down below. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.